Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the wallpaper on any BoAt smartwatch. The first step is to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch and install the application on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in this video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter an email address and your phone number to access the application. You can also use your Google account to access the application easily. You will then need to select the smartwatch from the list and scan the QR code again to connect. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. Now follow the steps to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch to any picture from your phone. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.